Hello everyone, my name is Andrei Dima and today we'll take a look at the Fujifilm X-T4's quick menu, how to access it and how to customize it. So, if you press the Q button on the back of your X-T4, you'll get this menu, where you have different options. These options can be changed by using the touchscreen, the joystick or the command dial. The X-T4 has two different quick menus depending in what mode you are, photo or video. This is something I really love about the X-T4. Now, if you want to replace these options in the quick menu, you just have to keep the Q button pressed for a couple of seconds. Then, the same menu will appear, but now you can replace any one of these options with something that is useful to you. This is the quick way to change these options. The quick menu is more customizable than this. So, in order to customize the quick menu more, go to the wrench icon, also called the setup menu, then go to the button dial settings and here you will see two options, one for the photo menu and one for the video menu. Now, by pressing one of these options, you can select how many slots or options will appear in your quick menu. You have 16, 12, 8 and 4 slots. Let's select 8 for the photo menu. After you select how many options you want to have, you can select what options will be displayed in the quick menu, just like in the beginning of the video. As you can see, our menu now has 8 options instead of 16. And now you can change if you want your quick menu to be black or transparent by going to the wrench setup menu, screen settings, and on the last page you have the quick menu background options for photos and videos. Now you can change this option between black and transparent. I have set mine to transparent, so when I go to the quick menu, as you can see, it is transparent. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more useful videos like this. See you next time.